In this video, I will show you how to log into another account on Snapchat. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Snapchat app. Once in here, all you have to do is click this profile icon that you can see at the top left corner. Once you click on that, the next thing you have to do is click on this settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. Once you click on that, just scroll down to the bottom. You're going to see log out. Now simply log out. You don't have to worry that you are going to lose access to this account that you are logging out of, because it's going to be saved. So what you have to do now is just log out. So once you log out of your account, it's going to load up a bit and then it's going to take you here. So like you can see, my previous account, I still have access to it. It's not lost. So now what you have to do now is just click on this switch account. You can see it at the bottom. So once I click on that, it's going to bring me to the login screen. So if you want to log in on another account, all you have to do is just put in the username or email and the password, and you'll be able to log into that account in the same Snapchat app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.